Yo, yo, YouTube, it's your boy Gerald, the one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today, man. Hope everybody having a good day and a blessed day today, man. If you already didn't check out my last video, talking about them Air Jordan 12 black taxis, you know what I'm saying? I had an in review, you know what I'm saying, with the detail of the shoe. Go to the video out, man, you know what I'm saying? Go check it out right there. But, man, today, even though we a little early, but like I said, I'm back to teaching y'all how to cop, you know what I'm saying, these retros, these Nike Dunks, whatever you want to know. But we're going to talk about this high anticipated shoe of the month right here. This is the biggest release of this year. Retro 11 Cherry Joints, man. Release date is December 10th. Retail price for the men's will be $225. Grade school sizes will be $185. Preschool size will be $100. And toddler size will be $80. And crib size will be $60. Sure that you put your raffles in. So Foot Locker and Champs right day. Around Monday for sure, but Monday for sure, but no later than until tomorrow. But sometimes they do a Monday, sometimes Sunday. It just depends, give or take. So be on the lookout for Foot Locker and Champs. I'll put a link down below, gonna send you straight there. You know what I'm saying? So you be like, okay, I'm ready for it. But Hibbits, they be on it. They be on it. Hibbits is up right now. Let's double check and see if Hibbits up. Make sure I'm not tripping. So Hibbits, you go to the launches, of course. You're gonna scroll down. So they do have it up on Hibbits right now. So they have toddler. They have preschool sizes, the crib sizes, they have the kid sizes, grade school I meant, and they also have the men's. So you can put your raffles in right now, and let's go on the men's right here. So it says raffle entry by 12 p.m. Eastern time on the 8th. So the 8th will be on that Thursday by 12 p.m. Eastern time. So make sure you put your raffles in on Hibbits, man. I'll put a link down below on that as well. So I know everybody want this shoe or how you cop this shoe, but I think a lot of people will get a lot of pairs of this shoe. You know, it's gonna be a GR release, basically general release, a lot of pairs. But the thing is, you gotta hit the right store. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, smaller stores or bigger stores, it's give or take, like I said. So smaller stores that don't really do too much good revenue and all that good stuff in their store, they're not gonna get that many pairs. But if you do a bigger store, you know what I'm saying, they're gonna have a lot more pairs. Your chances be higher. But when you do a bigger store, a lot more people gonna enter there. Smaller store, a lot of people not gonna enter there, think they ain't gonna win. So it's pros and cons on both sides what you want to do. But me personally, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, if you really want this shoe that bad, you gotta do what you gotta do. Make multiple accounts on Hibbits or do, you know what I'm saying, on Foot Locker, do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying. But like I said, if you want to do that, give or take on how big your store is, the more shoes, or smaller store, not gonna get that many shoes, and that people not gonna enter into that store because it's smaller, you know what I'm saying, your chances might be real slim. Or, you know what I'm saying, a bigger store, your chances really gonna be really slim, but they're gonna have more pairs. So like I said, just balance out on which one you want to do. But JD, you know what I'm saying, keep your emails ready. By Wednesday and Thursday, they're gonna email you if you're from JD, if you rock with JD and Finish Line, or you want to rock with JD and Finish Line. Make sure you get an account with JD and Finish Line, of course. But when you make the account with JD and Finish Line, buy, you know, get a little something, whatever. But they're gonna email you about exclusive access. So when you get exclusive access, as long as you got 2,000 points, you guarantee to get a size. Guaranteed. Make sure you be on there on time though. If you're there on time, like 20 minutes late, you're not gonna guarantee that size. But if you're on there on time, you're guaranteed to get that size that you actually need. JD and Finish Line, they're gonna email you before Wednesday or Thursday, either one. They always email you around 2-3 days before the release date. Like I said, the release date is December 10th. That is this Saturday. Come email like iCloud, Yahoo, Gmail. Make sure you got your alerts on, or just keep looking there. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, normally what I do, I keep my emails, you know what I'm saying, alarm, you know what I'm saying, in case like anything could happen, you know what I'm saying? Cause I got business emails or personal emails, you know what I'm saying? I always want to keep update on my emails because you, like you see, you never know. You might get that one special email for business, like, hey, more sponsor, like, no, all that good stuff. So if you really want these retro 11s, make sure you got your alerts on for the emails, man. If you want JD Finish Line, you know what I'm saying, guaranteed size. I have no points or anything like that. I will do Hibbits, Foot Locker, and I'll do Champs. I won't mess around with JD and Finish Line because you don't have no count there, you don't got no points. But unless you want to build some points or whatever, go ahead and get that going. Because like I said, JD and Finish Line, every time they come with the exclusive access, you are guaranteed to get a size if you do it on time. I only hit on like 1 or 2 shoes. Like I said, I missed a Lost and Found. I forgot what the shoes I missed, man. I don't even want to talk about it because I was salty, man. I seen that email, I was like, bruh, I was salty, man. But if you got any questions, concerns on how to cop these Air Jordan 11s, Cherry Joints, comment down below, man. Let me know. Or shoot me a DM on my Instagram page, you know what I'm saying? I have no problem helping out you guys, you know what I'm saying? Cause I want everybody to get this shoe. I want everybody to get this shoe. I want my family members. I want y'all to get this shoe. You know what I'm saying? Because everybody want the shoes, a full size or even the crib, the little baby sizes, and the newborn can have the shoe. You know what I'm saying? So I want everybody to have this shoe. I want everybody to have a good holiday. Cause after these 11s, some retro 9s come out. So it's a lot of heat coming out. But I know everybody want these retro 11s. And retro 11s, bro, them mugs run small. And every year I've been hearing, and I'll try on retro 11s like the Cool Grays and the past recent 11s, basically. They've been running a little smaller. They run a little different now. So don't go true to size in these retro 11s. Please don't. Please don't. Go a half size, or if you got to, go a whole size. Cause like I said, retro 11s run really, really small. Now I'm gonna sit here and lie to y'all. Say comment down below, man. Let me know if you want this shoe, or if you need any help. You know what I'm saying? Let you know, boy, down below, or show me a DM on Instagram. All that down in the description below. I know a lot of people got early pairs from sneakers. I didn't hit on no sneakers app for this pair. I wish I did, because I would have got y'all an early look and hand review. I did see the shoe a few times when I go to boutique stores and all that good stuff. The shoe is definitely dope. You know, it's like the original date for the low top was 2001. So you're never going wrong with this shoe. You know what I'm saying? It's a classic. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a big retro 11 fan like that. But if I do get some retro 11s, I like the Breds, the Concord. And I also like the Space Jams as well. So them my favorites for sure. So I know something about some retros. It just retros now, just like like these, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, but I will get this shoe in hand for y'all. So I will get some pairs in hand so I can see, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully I get my size so I get y'all on feet as well. Like I said, I'm not keeping this shoe, but I will try to get my personal size so y'all can see in hand and also on feet. So, but that is it for this video, man. Hope y'all appreciate the how to cop videos, know what I'm saying? If y'all, like I said, if you got any questions, concerns, comment down below, man, let me know. Or show me a DM on Instagram. I don't mind answering any questions or anything like that. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new, man. Make sure you get your post notification bell is on. Got more videos coming this week. Tune in for sure. I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure you follow me on all platforms down below. My Instagram, my TikTok, my Twitter, all that good stuff down below. Y'all have a blessed one. I'll catch you on another video, man. Gerald1 is out. Peace.